Hello guys, welcome back to another video from me, Carman Elliot. Appreciate you tuning in again. This one is again a bit like the other ones, trying to be a bit informative for you, hopefully give you the information you need of how to fit official BMW M Performance carbon rear side blades. I haven't found any videos on how to fit these, so I thought, you know what, let's show you how I've done it and hopefully it'll help some of you out. I actually managed to get these for a bargain off of a nice gentleman on one of the Facebook forums for a good price, because these are horrendously expensive for such a tiny part, brand new. So I'm all about a good old bargain. So I've already fitted the other one in advance to know what I'm doing, and this one I'm going to show you what I do. You need a jack, because you need to be able to get a drill under the car. You're going to need to drill some small holes for all of these holes here, so you can get self-tapping screws in there. And there's some original under tray trim clips, well, screws, that you reuse to put in here, and you've got a little bit of tape as well to help it. So yeah, let's go. Start this off by jacking the car up. As you can see, it fits on like yay, but we're not doing that yet. We need to take these little screws out that are under here. So you'll see when you're under here, there's 1, 2, 3 that you need to remove. Right, next thing is, what we're going to be doing is, I need to move the jack round over that way just so it's less in the way, because at the moment I can't get it around the jack, so I can do that if it's over there. Or I'll do what I did last time and I put a jack stand under the subframe here, take the stand, just take the jack away for a minute. You're essentially going to be putting, there's a line here under the skirt, like here, that runs across this edge. The tape will help keep it on. To be honest, it doesn't do much. And then those screws are going to be going into the ends here. As you, oh, scratched it. That was dumb. I'm so clumsy. You'll probably notice this from all of my videos. And they go in each of those. But the key bit is you're going to be drilling, once it's in place, you're going to be drilling into each of these little holes for your self-tapping screws. Now what I've done is I've got a drill bit which I believe it was 4mm, 3mm, and my screws are 4mm, so I sort of like a pilot hole. So here we go. Let's get a stand under there. Okay, line it up. Screw this hole in that we just, there's little screws. So I've got these self-tapping screws. I got a selection box off of Amazon for like 15 quid, they're ideal. This I'm gonna need, I'm gonna need a bit more height there. So I'm just gonna have to, what I did last time, this is quite awkward, but you have to jack it up with it at an angle so you can get to these two holes with the body being the highest here, and then jack up the front so that you can get to these ones and drill them, otherwise the jack's in the way. So it's a little bit annoying, to be honest. But it's the only way I was able to drill effectively. So my drill bit is 1 mil smaller than the screws. Here goes nothing. Easy as that. Then you get your screw it in with these pre-cut holes. Already a lot more solid. So now what we do is we lower it, and to get to these holes here, I think you've got one here. Can I get to that one? When you're under here, you'll notice that's the original trim screws. These are where you drill through. Okay, you'll now notice I've jacked up the front of the car, and that's so that I can get access to this, drilling the screws here. I'm now going to drill those and put the screws in. I hope that video was really informative and helped you out, and thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.